Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I'm working on this cemetery. It's an old one too. If you look, I just finished with that one, straightening it up. These tombstones are like planks. They can go down in the ground a couple feet to 3 feet, depending on just whoever made them, I guess. And got these. That one on the end's a young baby, less than 2 years old. And you can see there I've got these straightened up, and that one's leaning. I'll correct it in the middle, but I'm getting the cemetery back right. I'm also cleaning the tombstones. How I clean mine, I spray them and just let it dry on there because that'll kill all the stuff. And these things, I didn't video them before, but they were in horrible shape, but I'm getting there. I spray them about 2 or 3 times a week. I let it dry on there, and then I'll spray them some more. That one on the end is looking really good, and that one, I'll keep working on it till it's white as well. But that one little stone right there, I straightened it up, and I'll be straightening the larger one up. And I'm gonna paint this fence and get it looking right. But I want to show you this one tombstone. This guy was Alfred Moore. Alfred Moore died in 1904, but he had 2 wives. He was born in 1814. His first wife was born in 1830, which was Mary Jones. And his second wife, who he married, I don't know when, she was born in 1847. So that puts him at 33 years her senior when she was born. So she lived 30 years longer than he did, which in that era to get that old was with scant and very primal medical care was very unheard of. But I'm cleaning all these tombstones too, and I guess this is a son, and I would assume it's Alfred's son, but I'm cleaning all these. There's a lot of other ones. Normally in these cemeteries, these older tombstones like that, when they're smaller, that kind of means it was a child. But I'm going to straighten all those up, spray those down, get this thing looking good, and I'll give you another video to see all the progress. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.